welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Saint Beauty artist, a DIY lash enthusiast, and a Savvi brand partner. But today's video is not on any of those. If you clicked on this video, you're probably interested in the Modere, I think that's how you say it, the collagen. So I kind of wanted to give my 3-month update. I've been using this for 3 months. I've only gone through 2 bottles just because I actually did take some time off where I just wasn't being consistent with it. And it was like 3 weeks where I just completely forgot to take it because you do have to keep it in the refrigerator. And I kind of wanted to show or kind of tell you guys what my experience was after month 1, when I stopped using it, what did I notice, and then what did I start noticing when I started back up again. Now, the first thing first, just kind of give you a little bit of an overview in case you've never heard of this brand. They have a lot of health and beauty products. I ended up getting introduced by this brand or to this brand by one of the local ladies here in my community. She is a fitness guru. She does like Camp Gladiator, and she's just all kind of more natural, holistic beauty than more modern beauty, if that makes any sense. I don't know if that makes sense, but just a little bit more holistic, all natural, that sort of thing. So she had reached out, or she put on her Facebook page that she had been trying this stuff. She had noticed such a difference in her skin and her joints and just overall inflammation in her body. And she had highly recommended it. And so I was like, hey, what the heck? I want better skin. I want more mobility. I want better joint feeling and just overall inflammation decreation. Decreation? No, that's not the right word. Decrease, overall decrease in inflammation. So I jumped on it. So what it says is there's a variety of different ones. I got the One Life. There is a skin one. Can't remember what the other one is. I want to say there's 3 different like collagen, liquid biocell types, I guess might be the best word. But I got the Life one because it's supposed to be more the inflammation, the joints, all that stuff. But what it says is improves joint mobility and lubrication, supports cardiovascular health, improves skin hydration, firmness, and tone. So it's kind of like that one encompassing all. Even though collagen you a lot of times think of for your skin, it also will help with the joints and all the other things, muscle, that sort of thing. So I really, really like it. What they recommend is you do 2 capfuls, 1 in the morning, 1 at night, not capfuls, 1 tablespoon, 1 in the morning, 1 at night. So 2 tablespoons a day of this to get the max results. You can do 1 a day, but if you want to get the max results, you do 2 a day. Now, what will happen is if you do 2 tablespoons a day, you will finish one of these up in a month. So they're kind of like about a month worth of stuff. These do run $70 for this bottle. So you're talking about $70 a month. If you purchase 2 of them together, you get a small discount. And if you become a VIP member like me, you get even more of a discount. So it is not an affordable product. It is not a product that I would recommend, you know, if you're trying to save money or whatever, it's not a product that, it's just not affordable. $70 a month just for liquid collagen seems a little outrageous. But what I wanted to kind of talk through is what I personally have experienced and why I will continue doing this. Before I get into that, I do want to show you, and you can go on their website, but basically for those of you who may be doing low carb or just kind of watching your calorie intake, 1 tablespoon is only 15 calories, so it's essentially 30 calories a day for the recommended serving size. It does have 3 carbohydrates, 2 of them are sugar, and it has 15 milligrams of sodium in it. And then it also has, and a lot of this stuff you can actually read. Some of it's a little bit like scientific, but I'm sorry, my glasses, I think I need to get a stronger prescription because I'm finding that my reading is not so great. But it has apple fruit juice concentrate, grape fruit juice concentrate, and I think that's really to make it taste good. It does taste pretty good, but like I said, you keep it in the refrigerator. It's got the liquid biocell, which is hydrolyzed chicken sternal cartilage extract, providing hydrolyzed collagen type 2 peptides. It's got hyaluronic acid in it. It's got strawberry fruit juice. I just click on the link and then you can look at the ingredients. But so just wanted to tell you that. What I like also about it is it has less than 1 gram of added sugar. So if you're somebody like, even I'm doing Whole30, I'm still using this, even though it's technically not Whole30 approved because it does have that less than 1 gram of added sugar, but we can't all be perfect. But anyway, so I just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of background. My biggest thing is I am allergic to soy, so it does not have any soy in it, thank God. But obviously, I've never met anybody else who's allergic to soy. So if you're allergic to soy, hey sister. But nobody else seems to be allergic to soy, just me. But if that's important to you, it doesn't have any soy. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I started it, like I said, 3 months ago. I was religious about doing this twice a day. And I did notice a variety of different things, mostly in my inflammation. Now I want to say I have a sensitive body. I am very, very sensitive to certain things, and I swell very, very easily. My fingers will swell. I'm not wearing my rings today, but usually my fingers will swell. I won't be able to get off my rings. My ankles will swell. I look like I'm 9 months pregnant, just overall inflammation. And there's a variety of different factors that I've identified that result in the inflammation. But overall, without taking anything out of my diet, I did notice an overall decrease in my inflammation when I started this. But the biggest thing I noticed was when I stopped it. So I was religious, doing it every single day, twice a day for a whole month, ran out, and I had another bottle like in the refrigerator, but just kind of got out of that habit, left it in the fridge, and went about 3 weeks without having it. And I cannot tell you how much different I felt when I wasn't taking it. I felt more tired. I felt just achy all over. My joints were more achy. I just noticed that just walking, doing my regular activities, doing my exercises every morning, I felt as though everything was just aching. And so as soon as I started back up with it, that went away. Now, is it a life cure? No. Are you going to feel like you're 20 years old? No, you're not going to feel 20 years old. You might feel like 30 again. Like that's legit how good I felt. But it just overall, I noticed my inflammation decreased. I noticed I wasn't as achy. My joints weren't as achy. I felt like overall, I felt good. I felt healthy. I had noticed a difference in my skin when I was using it twice a day. My skin looked more vibrant. It was less dry. I have very, very dry skin. And as soon as I stopped taking it, it was like the dry flakes came back. Now, I'm very, very regimented on my skincare routine. I found something that I feel that works. And so this was just like an added compound on it, because not only does it have collagen, it also has that hyaluronic acid. I used to do the collagen gummies that had the hyaluronic acid. I'm just gonna say HA because apparently my tongue's not working today. But it had HA in it, had buckwheat, and it had collagen in it. And it was from Orbi or whatever the brand name is. I'll pop like a picture here so you could see. And I really, really like them. But to me, they did have the added sugar. It wasn't as natural. And I really, really like this because I feel like not only has it helped my skin as far as the dryness, as far as the plumpness, as far as it making it look vibrant and radiant, I also have noticed a difference in my body and the way that I feel. So I will continue using this. I just ran out of my second bottle, and I've kind of gone back and forth about should I try the skin one or should I keep with Life? And to me, if you're looking for something that helps with the inflammation, the joint pain, and gets you skin benefits, then do this. I mean, to me, this is just kind of like an all-in-one, checks all the boxes. The other one, the skin one, is more geared towards skin, but I want to get all the benefits of it because I really have noticed the difference. So that's just kind of my quick review. I know it is definitely a pricey product. It's not affordable at all, but if you've been kind of on the fence, I would definitely encourage you to try it. And I hate to say, hey, try it and then stop it, but give it like a month or two and then go cold turkey on it and see how your body reacts. But I feel like that was what sold me on it. Was sometimes when you're doing something every day and it's just a gradual thing, you're like, okay, is it working? I don't know. But when you stop something and then you don't use it, and then you start noticing all the things that it was doing. So that's kind of what I'm saying. Like, give it a month or two, get your body used to it, and then stop. And then you're going to feel the effects of what it was actually doing, and you're going to miss some, and you're going to want to get more. So that is my short review. Hopefully it helped you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Leave them down below. I will link my information down below. I don't think I get anything from it or whatever, but I will link my distributor's information down below, and definitely check it out if you're interested. But I will help you out in any way I can. Until next time, bye.